How to fix not getting Shopify authentication code. So if you're trying to log into your Shopify admin and the two-factor authentication code never arrives on your mobile or email box, you are definitely not the only one. Carrier filtering, spam folders, or stale browser cache often block these verification codes from delivering. Let us fix all of that in this video. First, let's rule out local device glitches, spam filters, and browser session errors. So if you're waiting on an SMS text, check your signal bar and restart your mobile phone. Carriers occasionally delay automated shortcode texts during network traffic. If you are waiting for an email code, let us just open up our email, and then when you are here, you choose the spam folder and also junk if you have that. Make sure it's also not in the trash. And also, guys, you can open up the incognito window and then just go ahead and open up Shopify like this, as you usually would, and try logging in here. If that didn't help, go here, 3 dots, settings, type in cache, go here, delete browsing data, and then just don't delete cookies though. I recommend not doing that. Delete the cached images and files and delete from device. Now, if SMS or email code isn't arriving still, let's bypass it using your backup security options. So in the sign in screen, let me show you, open up incognito for you. Okay, log in. And then as you can see, you can just go ahead and try another method, or just try signing in with a passkey. If you saved your 10-digit emergency codes when setting up your account, just choose this passkey and paste one in the field, or just use the Windows security and log in with it instead. And also, if you previously set up a authenticator app like Google Authenticator, select that option instead. Authenticator codes generate locally on your phone and never depend on mobile network signals. So try these out. Hopefully these will sort you out, and enjoy.